This week's sketching prompt is rain. Now, I do hope we're not going to get too much actual rain this week. That would be a bit sad. So I kind of went on a little bit of a foray around and got lost in a sea of Pixabay pictures looking at reference photos. So do look at the attachments to this video because you'll see a few ideas on how to interpret this theme. So you can look at a very impressionistic view of rain. So like Turner's storm paintings where there's marks and there's charcoal coming down and it's really atmospheric. There's no real detail in there, but they are super effective at really coming across as rain. Another one that I've looked at is Van Gogh, and I love the way he uses the complementary colours and diagonal lines, quite patterny and expressive. So you could do something like that, or you could go down the route of drawing something quite realistic, like a raindrop off a leaf, and look at the reflections that are going on in there, or drops of rain on a pond where you've got the circles and there. That's quite good for practicing ellipses actually, and just generally drawing circles like that. So rain is actually quite an expansive subject. So have a play, enjoy it, see what you feel. Maybe have a play with a couple techniques. Try one thing quite realistically, another one, try something very expressive, and see what you feel each time you do a something. And again, play in your sketchbook and just, see how you feel. Anyway, share in the group, in the chat, in the hub, or in the Facebook group. I think I might do a few of these as well, actually. I quite enjoyed my little ferret around looking for reference photos. Okay, see you again next week. Bye.